I'm Kathy Baskin, and I accept the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge from Julia Blatt of Massachusetts Rivers Alliance. My daughter Julianne's going to help me. She's already done it, and so here we go. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, so let's see. I challenge two people who love rivers, Ralph Abel, who's done a lot to help protect and restore rivers around New England, and my uncle Jim Baskin, who's fished many of the rivers in Massachusetts. And I also challenge my husband Lenny and my sons Chris and Mark.